Hi there. Today we're going to look at some great stuff from Cyber Acoustics. Now you might not have heard of Cyber Acoustics, but they've been around since 1996, so that's 25 years in the audio industry, and their goal is to make premium products at a fraction of competitor prices. Now I'm always interested in audio conferencing equipment, headphones, headsets. Certainly for business communication, it's always a must to have good quality gear. The old, can you hear me, takes up so much time in meetings. So good quality, precise audio equipment is really a must for business use, for drowning out distractions, for being able to focus, for being able to communicate, because communication is the essence of business. Now with working from home and the pandemic, it absolutely, the office boundaries have extended to your own home, and having good quality premium audio equipment in your own home setup for your own home working is also equally important. So I'm really keen to know what Cyber Acoustics have sent and to give it a good test. So I'm always on the lookout for great audio equipment, and Cyber Acoustics has been around 25 years and their mission is to make premium products at a fraction of competitor costs. So first of all, they've sent the Essential Speakerphone SP-2000. So this is a plug-and-play speakerphone that features USB and Bluetooth connectivity with a 360-degree noise-cancelling mic. So let us unbox this together. Oh, very nice. Okay, so this is a speakerphone that you can then place on your desk. You can see it's got some buttons, very easy for hang up, mute, for answering, for volume up and down. Comes with the USB cable, so that's awesome. So that's the Cyber Acoustics Essential Speakerphone with a USB Type A to Type C cable. Now the next is the Cyber Acoustics USB speaker bar, and this is model 2890, a compact desktop speaker that offers crisp audio and features an integrated monitor mount, so that helps you save up some desktop space. You can stick the speaker bar on top of your monitor, and this is actually quite inexpensive. This is only less than $25 US. Okay, so firstly I noticed a little USB A to USB C adapter, and let's have a look at the speaker bar itself. How interesting. Okay. Right, and there's the monitor mount. So yeah, you can attach it onto your monitor here somehow. Maybe that adjusts. Yep, here we go. So this will clamp, I see. And here's the speaker bar. And on the top we see again we've got buttons for adjusting the volume and entering calls, and plus a play next track button, so also for using music. So it has a USB A plug, but interestingly USB A to USB C adapter, so I guess that helps you plug it into your USB C device, like maybe your MacBook or something like that. Okay, so that's a speaker bar, and that's pretty cool actually, and for $25 let's see what that sounds like. If that gives great sound, then that's certainly great value. Now this here I'm certainly very interested in. So this is the Cyber Acoustics Essential headset, the model HS-2000, which is a USB stereo headset, and they say it's great for both calls and music. Well, I don't know if that's coming across very well. Great for calls and music. Now they say it's got many features of competing products, such as those you might expect from Jabra or Poly or Logitech, but they say look, it's under $70 US, and so that's actually less than half the price of some of these other models. So we can see straight away a nice retractable, foldable microphone. You can see there's some options to extend the height. It's quite flexible. There's a bit of give here to adjust the headphone to suit yourself, and again USB A plug. So that's pretty comfortable. Oh, actually that deadened the sound already. I haven't even plugged in, but I can see easily how this is going to you know, prevent distracting noises and allow you to focus on things here. I can tell as well there's a push button on the right. The left doesn't appear to push, but the right does. So anyway, we'll have a play and we'll figure these out. But these are three awesome things from Cyber Acoustics that we'll give these a good going over, and let's see how they compare. Thank you.